So welcome back to my channel. I'm Bentley and this is
Grayson.
And today we're going to be showing y'all the new mini Sonic toys. So first up we have this gun. You press it and it shoots. And then second up we have this white water gun. You fill it up and then shoot it. And then third up we have this one, which you can shoot it and you can eat with it. I challenged Dudeperfect to Sonic Minis only skill shots. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.